Facing recent challenges in sales and a decline in stock value, Tesla is taking bold steps to overcome the crisis. President of the United States Donald Trump expressed his support by purchasing a red Tesla Model S sedan right on the White House driveway, stating this is magnificent. He emphasized that he hopes his purchase will help Tesla during this difficult period. Headed electric scooters, bikes, and cars are already making waves as alternatives to traditional vehicles. And as battery technology and propulsion systems continue to improve, it's not too far-fetched to imagine the possibility of a style device in the future. Elon Musk has often teased out-of-the-box ideas, so a Tesla hoverboard could be on the horizon as part of the company's long-term vision. With Tesla's innovative spirit and focus on high-tech solutions, it's exciting to think about the ways the company could revolutionize personal transportation, whether it's through a flying car, a self-driving bike, or who knows, maybe even a true. While a Tesla is not a product that exists today, the idea is not entirely out of reach. Tesla's history of groundbreaking innovation makes it clear that they're not afraid to dream big. And with advancements in battery technology, magnetic levitation, and electric propulsion, a future Tesla hoverboard could very well be a reality. For now, though, we'll have to settle for daydreaming about zipping around on a Tesla-powered, perhaps in the not-so-distant future. While the dream of a hovering personal vehicle is exciting, there are significant technological and logistical hurdles to overcome. Magnetic levitation, maglev, is one of the most promising technologies for creating a true device that can float above the ground without making contact. Imagine the thrill of zipping through the streets, gliding effortlessly above the pavement with no friction slowing you down. While it sounds like something straight out of science fiction, maglev technology has already been used in high-speed trains and is, in theory, capable of revolutionizing personal transportation in the form of a. However, as with many cutting-edge technologies, there are significant challenges that must be addressed before maglev can become a practical and viable solution for personal transportation devices like. Magnetic levitation relies on the principle of using magnetic fields to lift and propel an object, essentially eliminating friction with the surface beneath it. There are two primary methods used for magnetic levitation: electromagnetic suspension, EMS, and electrodynamic suspension, EDS. Both technologies make use of magnets to either lift the object or provide thrust, allowing it to hover above the ground. This method uses strong electromagnets beneath the object, which are controlled by a feedback system. These electromagnets create a magnetic field that repels the object from the surface, keeping it suspended. This is the method currently used in maglev trains, which use powerful electromagnets embedded in the track and the train itself to levitate and travel at high speeds. This method relies on superconducting magnets and the interaction between magnetic fields to lift and stabilize the object. While this technology is more advanced, it typically requires cooling the magnets to very low temperatures, which can make it more expensive and complex to implement. While both systems can create the illusion of hovering, they still require specific conditions, including carefully designed tracks or surfaces. This is where the biggest challenges lie in trying to bring maglev technology into the realm of personal transportation, such as with hoverboards. For maglev technology to work effectively, it often requires specialized infrastructure. In the case of high-speed maglev trains, the tracks are designed with a precise configuration of magnets, which interact with magnets in the train to provide lift and thrust. This is what enables the train to glide over the track at high speeds without friction. However, the same infrastructure is not available on most streets or pavements, which poses a significant challenge for implementing maglev. If a Tesla or any company were to develop using maglev technology, it would need to overcome the issue of creating a levitation system that works on regular roads and sidewalks. Currently, roads are not magnetized, and they don't have the specialized infrastructure needed to support magnetic levitation. For a true to function, a system of magnets would have to be embedded in the ground itself, a process that would require significant investment in infrastructure. Furthermore, the magnets used in maglev technology need to be extremely powerful to support the weight of a person on a. This presents another challenge. How do you create a compact and powerful magnetic system that can work in everyday environments without making the overboard impractical or too expensive? This is where current maglev technology faces a bottleneck. The most immediate obstacle for that, the surfaces we walk or ride on, are not designed to accommodate magnetic levitation. As it stands, maglev trains are only capable of operating on specially constructed tracks. This would make it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to design that could work on everyday streets. To enable to function on regular streets, cities would need to invest heavily in creating magnetized roads or specialized pavement that would support such device, an investment that is unlikely to happen in the near future. Facing recent challenges in sales and a decline in stock value, Tesla is taking bold steps to overcome the crisis. President of the United States Donald Trump expressed his support by purchasing a red Tesla Model S sedan right on the White House driveway, stating, "This is magnificent." He emphasized that he hopes his purchase will help Tesla during this difficult period. In response to market challenges, Tesla has announced a new lineup of innovative devices, which, according to insider information, may include a flying electric hoverboard. This product has the potential to revolutionize the personal transportation industry. Speaking at a meeting with Trump, Elon Musk stated that the world stands on the brink of a new era in personal transportation, and Tesla will be the driving force behind these changes. These initiatives demonstrate Tesla's determination not only to overcome current difficulties, but also to continue leading in innovation, offering the world cutting-edge solutions for the future of mobility. Another interesting development was introduced by engineers from Hendo, a hoverboard named Hendo Hoverboard. This device can hover above the surface, resembling the flying skateboard from the iconic film Back to the Future Part 2. Hendo Hoverboard uses magnetic levitation technology, and its operation is based on the creation of a magnetic field using 4 engines, which allows the board to lift to a height of approximately 2.5 centimeters above the surface. However, the hoverboard requires a special coating made of non-ferrous metals such as copper or aluminum, as levitation is only possible over conductive surfaces. Hendo Hoverboard can support the weight of an adult, lifting loads of up to 100 kilograms. However, its operating time is limited. The built-in battery lasts only 7 minutes of flight. Another interesting project by YouTuber J Laser Video was an attempt to create a real hoverboard inspired by the movie Back to the Future. The idea of developing a device that can hover above the ground using the ground effect is quite ambitious. This physical phenomenon creates an air cushion that allows an object to stay above the surface without touching it. To build the hoverboard, J Laser Video explored various levitation technologies, including magnetic levitation and the use of superconductors. However, the final decision was to use electric jet engines, which generate an air cushion similar to that used in hovercraft. The hoverboard was successfully tested on different surfaces, including asphalt and grass. However, just like in Back to the Future Part 2, it could not function effectively over water. Despite this limitation, the hoverboard was able to hover steadily at a low altitude, proving the possibility of its real-world application. Filipino engineer and blogger Kix Mola has developed a unique flying device called Hoverboard Air. This multi-rotor aircraft is capable of lifting a person into the air and ensuring stable flight. Recently, Mola successfully completed a flight on his hoverboard, covering a distance of 2.2 kilometers in 7 minutes and 22 seconds. This flight demonstrated the potential of hoverboard air as a means of personal air transportation. Hoverboard air is controlled using a handheld remote and the pilot's body tilts, making the flying process intuitive. The device is equipped with a stabilization system that ensures safety and comfort during flight. Its compact size allows it to be transported in the bed of a truck, making it convenient for transport and use in various locations. Arcus Space has made a revolutionary step in personal transportation by introducing the